what I did. So it's the like Khloe Kardashian cookie jar. I need big mirrors. Oh shit, she's fallen over. Oh, guys, I wish you could smell this. Hey best friends, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Hello, hi if you are new. I'm not sure how you found me, but I hope you stick around because oh my gosh. Today is, I say this every single video, today is one of the most exciting videos ever. If you guys watched last week's video, which was the Primark, like what's new in Primark, you'll have heard me mention a few times that I was like, oh, when I get a flat, I haven't got a flat yet, blah, blah, blah. Guys, I've got a flat. Got a flat and I just thought I would take you guys around. So it is my first evening here, and I spent all morning getting everything, like unloading everything with my mum. Now my mum is gone and I'm going to do a flat tour for you. Instead of rambling on, I thought I'm just gonna get straight into it because I know that when I'm watching these, I'm like, skip. Okay, so this is just a box. I had some clothes, and when you first walk through the door, there is just loads of chairs and like a bag full of bags. And there is this amazing hallway with loads of storage. So these are all my shoes. That is a tablecloth. In here, I've just got loads of bags and stuff that I use. Here I've got this lovely kind of for my boyfriend's family, and then here I just got my card holder, my keys, and my AirPods. And then this was actually on the wall there, and there was another one here which looks like Jesus, but I thought I'd put that there because it's nicer. And there is this massive mirror. I'm not gonna get ready for this. I just wanna quickly do this tour, and it's also 30 degrees, so I wasn't in the mood to, you know, get ready and stuff. Also, can you guys remember when I did my London vlog? I got this tripod and it broke. It is broken, there's only 2 legs, but I thought I'd put it on my camera to like stabilize it. This is my fit. This isn't a set. These both are part of 2 pieces. Anyway, this is a massive mirror when you come in. And then, let me just turn off the light in here because I actually had the light on just because it's a bit dark. You walk through. First up, you've got this room, a boiler and a storage room. So at the moment, it's got my clothes there, and then basically there was a table in the living room, which you guys will see, but they're the table legs. And then I just put my laundry thing there just because I don't want it anywhere else because I want it minimal. This is my bathroom. I've literally just obviously got a shower, a toilet, and then a towel rail, sink. And then look how cute these are. When I started doing skincare, they sent me eye cream and moisturizer, and then this little headband, which is really cute. Down there, I've just got my skincare, so I just have my Mario Badescu stuff. And then also in there, I literally just have some shampoo and conditioner. And then I was scrubbing on my fake tan in the shower. That's how it's drying there. Then into my bedroom. Another amazing big mirror, which you guys know, I love my mirrors. So there's another one. In the back of my door, I've got dressing gowns. Also, these are all fire doors. That's why like I've got them open. Really, really big desk and vanity area. So on here, I just have my sunglasses and then my perfumes. These are 3 that I use every single day. And then I've got some cotton pads. And then I just have my phone, obviously because I'm filming on my camera. And here I just have my jewelry. I actually want to get a different jewelry holder just because you guys can see that it's all getting mixed up. These are my extras. These are bracelets. These are rings, earrings, like random stuff. It's all getting mixed up. This is also an empty photo frame that I'm hoping to get a photo of me and Ella in. I haven't got that photo yet. It's also just a random candle, but she doesn't sit up. Oh wait, no, she is sitting up. She doesn't normally sit up straight. Then it's the mirror. And then in here, so in the top I've got everyday thing, makeup and like moisturizers and mints. And then the bottom, skincare and body stuff. So like I've got fake tan, these are face washes, and then other stuff. Here's just kind of random because as you guys saw in that hallway bit, I've literally got so much storage. In the kitchen, there is so much storage. I didn't even need to bring any storage boxes or anything. That's why it doesn't look very organized down in there. In this one, I've just got this a bit more organized actually. So these are all my hair products that I use. That's just my hairdryer. That's a sewing kit. Again, I didn't know where to put it, but I use it quite a lot. Here's just random electrical bits. So I've got phone cases, extension lead, which again, literally did not even need, an umbrella. And then in here, there's got my camera charger and everything. And then we've got this Robson's gonna be watching this and go, why have you just shown that? Obviously, he's in Australia and I'm in England, so we got me that for our anniversary with a cute message on. And down here, I've just got a photo of me and Robson, a photo of me and my sister, and this candle smells amazing. I think I wanna get some more pillows to make it look hotel-y. Do you know what I mean? And then this light. This is my wardrobe. It's not properly organized. I just kind of put everything in. But, of course, had to bring a lead scarf and a lead shirt. How cool these are, right? I have never seen these. They come out instead of sideways, which is very cool. To be honest, I might need a bit of a bigger one, and I have got a clothing rail that I could put there. These are just all trousers. It's not even organised at all, that wardrobe, to be fair. But I've got my underwear and stuff here, and then these are just tops, and then these are just random stuff. I've really not organised it well at all. I think I was just so excited that I was like, I just want to get everything out, and then I'm going to properly organise it. There's also a chair here. There's so many chairs in this flat. This is the view from my bedroom. So as you can see, I've got these massive, lovely high ceilings, like massive windows, and the blind isn't even all the way up. I haven't got any lights on at the moment. The light just comes through amazing. And then in the morning, the sun is here, so the sun makes its way around, and then now it's on those, and it's just beautiful. There is a car park as well where I live, and I don't really need it. And oh, I got my nails done as well, guys. What do you think? I haven't had them done in a while. It's a lovely, lovely day. I literally love the mirrors so much. Like, anyone who knows me knows I need big mirrors, white bright space, and I'm good to go. You guys have seen my bedroom and hallway and bathroom. Are you ready for the main bit? I just want to point out, I haven't got a television. Television is coming in a few hours, but I just wanted to show you all before, not even before it came, I just wanted to show you now because I'm impatient. That box, you'll find out what's in that in a sec. This is my kitchen. This is it, and this is my living room. So we'll start with the kitchen. First of all, we've got these mirrors all along here. These shorts make me look like I have a camel toe, but I don't. It's just how the shorts are. Also, I don't know if you guys saw my TikTok. The couple that lived in the flat before me was an American couple, and they were just here for a year because they were working here. They didn't want to bring their pots and pans, plates, everything over, so they literally left all of their stuff here, not for me because I didn't know that I was coming here, but just for the next person. Everything that you see, I didn't bring. All the pots, everything, I did not bring. And I did actually put it on my TikTok and on my Twitter. I've got so many spare pots and pans, mugs and stuff, so I'll show you like the spare things, and if anyone around the Leeds area wants any of these things, because I've got no room for them, let me know and I'll be more than happy to give you them. Okay, so first of all, I love these as well because all the cupboards are like this. You see? So here we just have cleaning and first aid cupboard, and then in here we have got all my alcohol and a fruit bowl. Bit random for a fruit bowl to be near alcohol, I know, but I just thought it looked quite nice aesthetic wise. And here are my glasses. Well, they're couples glasses, but I managed to sort through them all and get some sets, which are nice, so like people can come over and we can have some of this Prosecco. And then in here, because there's literally so many cupboards and so much storage, I've got just spare ones, but in here this is a breakfast cupboard, stuff for morning milkshakes, cereals and cereal bars, nothing up there. And then here we have got all my pots and pans. I did actually bring the pots and pans, what am I on about? Like plates and stuff. I actually brought these two mugs. Ella got me this, and I think this could be my mum's. We had just got some plates here. I didn't know where to put everything because I want to make the cupboards look as bright as possible, but I thought I've done the right job. And then in here we've just got more cups and stuff. So this looks like Emma Bridgewater, but it's actually from IKEA. Some tea and coffee. I don't even drink tea, so I got the wrong one. This is leaf tea. And then some cardinal because my mum bought that for me instead of sugar, and I like it. Look how many Starbucks mugs I've got. And in this one is just loads of spare cups and stuff, glasses. There's a sea mug there, like loads of plates. I suppose if I've got more than 4 friends coming over, wait, how many is that? More than 6 friends coming over, then they'll be good. And literally so many things there. And then in here there isn't a lot. I did a bit of a food shop before I came, but I suppose that as I go on I'll be able to work out what I need. And I want to get some glass jars for spaghetti, should I put on here? Look at this. This is how cute I did. So it's a Khloe Kardashian cookie jar. So this is just from IKEA. I bought this a while ago, but I thought this is really cute. And then this is my blender, kettle and toaster, you know, everything you would expect to be in a kitchen. You come over here and I've just got some pots and stuff. The oven is right next to this cupboard, but I can't actually fit the big pan that's in this cupboard here. This is just oil, a sieve, a pan, not very exciting. And then in here, look how cute this is. It's actually my mum's that we had in the house, and I painted it white. I thought it was quite nice to put my eggs on. And these knives, everything was here except from this thing. And then just cooking utensils, and then literally some kitchen roll and a microwave. Okay, now we'll go on to this down here. First of all, we've got a washing machine. In here, this is just random cleaning cupboard. Look what I did with these pots that they left. This is washing powder, I need to get more. And this is dishwasher salt, and these are toilet tablets and stuff. And then in here we have a dishwasher, but because I'm living on my own, I don't really need to use a dishwasher. And in here we have the fridge. You can see alcohol at the moment. It's some Prosecco that my sister and brother-in-law got me for my 21st actually. Maybe something like that. I just did a little food shop because, you know, there's only me. In here we've got all the cutlery and stuff. Look at how many forks they are. I haven't got 10 friends coming over, but just in case. A pizza cutter, normal things you would have in there. And then in a, oh, nothing in there because I haven't got enough stuff to fill it. Just an oven, that's what an oven looks like. And in there is just stuff for my flat. Obviously not gonna open that because it says where I am. And then in here, no, there's nothing in there. And then in here, I've just got random stuff. Tin foil, sandwich bags. I'm gonna use it actually because Ella and Dom are coming over. That's for nachos and dip. And here is all the spare stuff except from that pan and that sandwich toaster. I don't even know what on earth this is. Someone on my TikTok live said it was to mix or something. Water filter thing, so many pots and pans of cheese grate. Any of you guys are students or moving into a new house and need them, I mean obviously not brand new, but you can literally have them. And then in here is my freezer. I've got nothing in it except from some chips and some pizza under there. Hey guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, it is a few hours later. Dom and Ella came over. I have had a glass or 10 of Prosecco, but my TV just came and I didn't want to not finish this vlog, film half of it now, half of it in a few days. So this, this is the rest of the flat tour. Obviously I've shown you the kitchen and everything. There's one glass of Prosecco. There's the other one. I still want to show you the living room and everything, and I've got something really exciting to show you guys. I am a little bit drunk. I'm gonna not slur my, I'm not drunk actually. I'm gonna not slur my words because I've only had 8 glasses of Prosecco or something, but I'll show you my living room now. So when I was filming before, I didn't actually have the TV and this was completely different. The TV's now arrived, obviously. I don't really like this setup. I think I want to get some coasters or something, but I've literally just got my Balenciaga bag and 2 books. So I got those 2 books and this Prada book. They didn't even come as a set, I just wanted them all, so I bought them 2 years ago. I didn't have anywhere to put them there now. I do need to get some coasters and a rug though. This is the phone to let people in. This is a sofa, and funny story, well, it's not really that funny, it's just a story. The American couple actually had a grey cover on it. They had this grey cover on the sofa, I'm assuming to avoid spills and stuff, but I think the brown looks so much nicer. There was 2 little marks there and there, but I just wiped them off and you can't really see them. These 2 cushions are from Primark Home. They were £7 each, and this blanket's from Primark Home. I think that looks quite nice. I feel like the brown suits the aesthetic way more. And I've got my ring light and then the view. I'm actually gonna go out and watch the sunset. It's 8 o'clock now. Dom and Ella were here for 4 hours, and we literally just like Dom set up my TV because I couldn't do it, I was too busy talking to Ella. And we just chilled out, but I think I'm gonna go watch the sunset on the terrace. And then on this table here, which I think I'm gonna get a white rug for. It's like a big fluffy one. If anyone's got any recommendations, let me know. I've just got my remotes and my cards. So this is from Dom and Ella, this is from my parents, this is from my boyfriend's parents, and just some cards. And then here, I've got this big mirror, which Dom said that I should move to there, but I don't think I'm going to. But on this mirror, oh shit, she's fallen over. Put her back. I actually had to move these this morning because the sun was coming and they were literally melted. I've got these candles. I don't actually know where they're from, but if I can, I will link them on screen now. It's for my parents for my 21st, it's so cute. And then just a Virgo candle from my sister. This vase, literally from Primark yesterday, £10. If anyone wants me to link anything or tell you where they're from, let me know and I'll be more than happy to. And then this, she's quite down, you can see. The stand came with a flap, my tripod and stuff, and then my Mac. I haven't really got anything to put in here. And then this, I think I want to take off. So these 3 shelves, they're the same as there, and you can move them around. Got this television, this is 40 inches. I think that's actually the perfect size. This is what I've got underneath. I wanted something underneath because it just looked a bit plain to hide the wires. I just got that Prada book to go with there. I had a candle and it melted a bit on the Prada book, and I did actually wipe it off, but not good enough clearly. An Alexa, a Prada sign, and this book that my boyfriend got me for my 21st. That is literally it. Sorry, it looks a little bit messier now because there's some stuff from when Dom and Ella came. That is pretty much what I've got. I've got something really, really exciting to show you guys. Wait there. So you guys may have noticed in the corner when I was showing you the kitchen, this absolutely massive box. Clear box from Cherries. If you don't know, Cherries are this website. They basically just sell anything and everything that you would possibly need, not just for a new home, just for life. Kind of like the B&M and Home Bargains, but It's online and it comes really quick. It's so much cheaper, and I'm working with Cherries on this part of the video, so thank you so much. I posted obviously a story saying that I was moving into a new flat and Cherries kindly wanted to work with me. I wanted to open this all day, but I was like, I need to show you guys. I did get shampoo and conditioner though, and that is in my shower because I wanted to wash my hair. I don't think the prices, I don't think I can see it or anything, but all of this literally came to, I think, £49.70 or something, and then it was free shipping, but you can pay for next day shipping, which is £5, or you can get a delivery pass, which is £1, and honestly I would do it. I basically just got everything that you would need for a new home. So first up, I got some toilet roll. This was a 18 pack of toilet roll. Then after toilet roll, I got some kitchen roll. This is the other gloves, so I got obviously 2 exfoliating gloves. This is the other one. Then I got some deodorant. Also, a quick tip, so on the app, if you go into the section health and beauty, they'll show like a few things, but if you specifically search deodorant, there'll be so many more things that come up. I don't know why that is, but I found that when I was searching deodorant, floss, toothpaste, so many more things came up, so there's a tip for you. I also got some dental floss. I got some washing up liquid because I do have a dishwasher, but because I'm living on my own, I don't need to put it on, and I'm all about saving water, you know. Then I got some, if I can open them, just some ice cube trays. I got some toilet rim block cleaners, and then I got some bin liners. I haven't actually got a bin. I need to get a bin. I'm gonna go to IKEA with my sister. And then I got some multi-purpose cloths. I do actually have some minkies that the Americans gave me, but these are just good if I don't use a minky, just a quick wipe down. A loofah. Oh my gosh, right. Oh, this is a big one. All my Alien girls, any of you guys who wear Alien, love the Alien perfume, you know, by Terry Mugler, whatever it is. This smells like Alien. Let me just show you. Can you guys see? This is the Lenore Exotic Bloom, and oh my gosh, I found out about this, I think it was 18 months ago. Guys, I wish you could smell this. It actually smells like Alien. I just got some cotton pads, some hand wash, and then I just got cleaning products. Even though I already got some, obviously it's good to have loads, so I just literally just got some flash. I don't think I've got some actually. I also just got some all-in-one antibacterial spray. And then I got some tampons because tampons were so cheap, and yeah, we always need those. Oh my gosh, these are what I was most excited about. I got some glass straws. I haven't got any straws yet, I'm just very excited. Then I just got some antibacterial wipes. Then I got some lash sensational. So random, like go from cleaning to mascara. Then I just picked up some razors because I always need razors. After that, I just got some washing powder because sometimes I don't want to use this Alien if it's just for random, because there's only 50 washes in this, and even though that seems like a lot, I wash a lot of both. I got this 3-pack of toothpaste, so we're literally £1.50, and micellar water, micellar to go with the cotton pads. And I got some tin foil, which I tried. I didn't really need because they came with some. Then I got some mouthwash. I'm sorry, but how is all of this and the shampoo and conditioner and the exfoliating gloves £50? These are some big brands. Surf, Oral-B, Fairy. This is absolutely amazing. All of this for literally less than £50, like £47.70. That is actually amazing. Thank you so much to Cherries for sponsoring this part of the video, and it's given me my first things that I need for getting a new home, getting a new flat. If you guys are moving into like student accommodation, anything at all, definitely have a look at Cherries. They deliver out in pretty much everywhere in the UK. This literally came in a day. It comes in one massive box, there's no hassle or anything. So if you guys haven't already, definitely check out Cherries. I've also got a discount code for you guys, and that code is just Jess Bell 25 if you want 25% off your first order. So guys, that is the end of this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, I don't think anyone will have any questions, but I'm living on my own in Leeds City Centre. I did it! Like, I got my own flat. I actually can't stop smiling at my sister was like, "You're so excited, aren't you?" I was like, yeah, I'm so excited. I'm just so happy. Not even just because I've had a drink, because I'm a little bit more sober now, but that's amazing. I've actually got all these cherry oil. Look how aesthetic they look. I need to put those all away. I need to get rid of that TV box and stuff. I'm just so proud of myself for doing it. I'm in a perfect flat. I'm 21. I'm living my best life, and yeah, I literally just could not be happier. I can't wait to show this next chapter with you guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to my parents for everything they do, and my mum helping me unpack everything. Like, bless her, she was like cleaning and everything, making sure it was all perfect for me. That's the end of this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to let me know what that content you guys want to see, because I've got so many ideas and I'm so excited to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, I love you so much. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye guys.